Hi YouTube and welcome to another build showcase video. In this one we're making a smaller version of a leather zipper long wallet and we'll be using these templates here. If you want to make a wallet like this yourself, there will be a full step-by-step video with PDF pattern available on the 29th of January. If you like the video, please consider subscribing as it will help this channel grow. The wallet we're making will be made out of natural vegetable tan, leather which is already prepared with oils and dye. First things first, of course, cut out all of the pieces like so. Here I'm using walnut dye on all of the wallet pieces. After painting and drying, I've decided to also use some tank coat as it will give the leather more rigidity and most importantly a nice and shiny look. Then we proceed to trimming down the pieces to a needed thickness. Here I'm using two types of skiving knives, French edgers and some 240 grit sandpaper. I'll note that I've thinned out the inside pieces as well as the main inside piece. Then of course I bevel and sand the edges with 240 grit sandpaper and finish off the edges with some dark brown edge dye. Here I'm applying one light coat of the edge dye, then sand it with a finer sanding paper and repeat the dyeing process again. Afterwards we finish everything with applying Tokanol, of course. Now it is time to glue in our inside card pockets. So as usual, glue, mark punching holes and stitch them all to the main pocket piece. Then we mark the middle and repeat the stitching process as this will give us 12 instead of 6 card slots. Then move on to the rest of the pieces. Here we do the same as previously. Bevel, sand, apply dye, sand, then dye again and finish with Tokanol. Let's now come back to the card pockets. I roughened up the inside panel where the pockets will be glued and stick everything together like so. Then of course I mark my holes and stitch up the bottom part to the main inside panel. After that, I move on to the coin pouch, glue the zipper to the leather piece and let it dry. Coming back to the inside panel, it is time to mark our pricking hole line for both inside and outside panels, making sure they align perfectly, of course. After the glue has dried, we can now finish our coin pouch. Firstly, I stitch up the zipper part. Then I move on to one of the flaps which will hold our pouch to the wallet. Glue one side, wait for it to dry, move to the bottom, dry, left side, dry, and the pouch is done. Zipper time. It's time to glue the main zipper to the inside panel of the wallet. While we wait, we can now mark our holes on the flaps of the coin pouch. After that is done, I finish gluing in the zipper to the inside panel and make holes to the outside one. And now, the moment of truth. It is time to stitch everything together and see how the wallet turned out. First half looks pretty cool so far, not gonna lie. Oh yeah, almost forgot my stamp. There we go. And there you have it, a custom made, a smaller version of leather zipper long wallet. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on another one.